line over your knees. Your knees are kind of bouncy. Those are your shocks. You're leaning away a little bit, and then you pop your hip towards the handle. So go push it forward like this. Yep, so that's a good leverage point right there, right? Okay. If your chest is forward, I can easily pull you forward, right? So I'm just gonna keep it there, and then pop your hip towards the handle. Yep, perfect. That's good. Okay, so let's get your bindings on the back, and then I will do one more little test right on the platform here, and we'll give it a go. But the key is stay low. Don't stand up so you're on top of the water, because that's a deep water start. So you gotta rise out of the water. Once you're on the water, then you can stand up. Okay, like this.
So if I'm away from the boat,
your arms gotta be totally straight though. You cannot get up unless your arms are straight.
Okay.
If you resist back, it's just gonna pop out of your feet. Okay, like this. And then squat your butt all the way to your ankles. Stay nice and low. I'm gonna pull you up. As I'm pulling you, you just get lower. So stay low, stay low, stay low. See how I'm able to leverage you up? The more you can get your butt right on there, the easier it is for you to pop up out of the water.
okay, so I have to go all the way. So
All the way. So as much as you can squat down.
so this one.
Yep, perfect. And stay low. Stay nice and low, stay low, stay low. See how that's leveraging you up right there? The other thing is your toes. Kick them forward. Just point your toes towards me. Point your toes. Flex your toes. You want to try and get the
I
board.
need to change this to another. Do you have another vest?
Yeah, I probably got a different vest if you like. Looking where you're going. So you're not looking down at your feet, you're looking forward. Okay.
This way.
Bangon!
Ready? Ready?
Mura kag mo bangon, boy!
Here we go.
Sikat! Ayun! Ayun! Ayun!
Ready?